Hey everyone, this is Rami Raidan, and I have this video for you if you use Zoom recording and you want to record your event or you want to record a session with your client or anything you want to record your screen. So this is a good video to watch and to know the different types of recording that Zoom has. So before we get started, I want to tell you that when it comes to recording, you can record on your local computer or record on Zoom Cloud. And they have different setting and different features too. So let's get started to explain more how this works. All right, so first, if you go to the Zoom Workplace, you will find here, if you go to the Zoom Workplace tab here, the menu, you can see the setting here. And from setting, if you go to recording, you can see all the options for the recording. So the first, to choose a location to save the recording to after the meeting ends. So this is where you choose. You have the option to choose. If not, you just configure it here. All right. The second option, to record a separate audio file of each participant. You can have an audio file separated for each participant. Display participant name in the recording. You can have it on or off. Then optimize for third-party video editor. This is for the video format. And add a timestamp to the recording. You can have timestamp on the recording. And here's the big thing is record video during sharing, during screen sharing. So what that means, if you want to record yourself during screen sharing, so this will be on. And you have the option to place video next to the shared screen in the recording. So if you have it next to it, not above, you press here. And this keep unconverted recording files. So this, if you want to keep the original files before converting them, because once you stop recording, Zoom will take time to convert the files for you to play. So this is all the settings that's available for local recording. Now for the cloud recording, you have more features and options, and this is what is important to share. So I'm going to share with you the setting on the cloud. So from Zoom homepage, when you log in, you can go to setting here in the menu. And from settings, you go to recording to access all the settings regarding the recording. And over here, cloud recording setting. So the first option is record active speaker with shared screen, is recording you as an active speaker or any active speaker to record them with shared screen when you share the screen. If this is on, they will appear. If not, they will not. Record gallery view with shared screen. You can record people in the event as a gallery view while you're recording the shared screen. And here is the option that I want to talk about it, which is very useful, especially if you have a cloud storage and you record to the cloud. You can record active speaker, gallery view, and shared screen separately. So we'll have active speaker, gallery view, and shared screen different files. So you'll download like 5 different files when you're done recording. And then also record audio only files. Record one audio file for all the participants, or record separate audio file of each participant. So I want to cover today this and show you how you can record 3 different views on Zoom while you're recording. So I'm going to start a meeting now. Close this. All right. And from here, I'm going to share a window. So if you're sharing a window and you want to record that window, so you share the window, and here if you want to share sound too with that window, you can press on this. So I'll share the
recording in progress.
So now the recording in progress. So it's recording, and I'll show you what's happening once I'm done. So what kind of files I will get. Now, if this is a presentation, for example, I've recorded, and if I'm done with it, I'm done with the recording, and want to stop, so I go and stop or pause the recording, but I'm gonna stop now to show you what kind of files I'll get. Stop recording.
Recording stopped.
All right. So now after stopping the recording, Zoom will start to process the files. So in order to access these, you can go from the Zoom main website, main account, to the recording. So over here, there's recording and transcripts. You press on it, and you will see that Zoom now processing your recording. So once you end the meeting, Zoom will start processing the recording. This is a sample of what you can record. So when you record to the cloud with the option to record separate videos for the shared screen with the speaker view, or shared screen. So you see here I have one file, the second, and the third. So each one is different. I'll give you a preview for that. So this is shared screen with the speaker view. I get the shared screen. So that's the shared screen with the speaker view. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is just the speaker view, which is me only. All right. And the third one is just the shared screen itself. So if you want a separate video for the shared screen itself, it's here. All right. So these are three different type of video. You see here, I'm not there. It's just this shared screen that I shared it. Okay. So hopefully this will explain more to you how things works. And if you have any question, please write it in the comments. Thank you.